everybody and welcome to today's vlog. Today's a strange vlog because we've rescued another kitten from our friend.
We have rescued another kitten. Let's have a look. It's a little girl, bless her. Oh, let me see if I can find her. There she is. She's a gorgeous tortoiseshell kitten. And as you can hear, let me zoom in on her. She's very, very, very hungry. She's not had a feed in quite a long time. Unfortunately, she was one of a litter of 6 and the others didn't make it, sadly. And the mum really hasn't shown any interest in feeding them. She wanted to but couldn't, and then just gave up. So because we've still got the setup after having Storm and Spice, we're going to go inside, give it a good warm and a good feed, and see whether or not we can help this little baby survive. Just trying to get the first feed ready and see how that goes. The most important thing at this stage, just like with a baby, is that everything is sterilised. So every time anything is used, it's then dropped in boiling water and then not touched by me. I'll get a spoon to be able to fish that out. But you want to make sure that all the germs are killed. So as with any kittens, if they don't have their mum to do things for them, they need you to do it, which also includes going to the toilet. So if they've not been to the toilet, which apparently this one hasn't since yesterday, they really do need you to get a nice piece of cotton wool, some nice warm water so as not to shock their systems, and you just rub their genital areas gently until they're able to do their weeps and poops. You got a picture, or are you trying to video? Oh, so she's not sure about suckling. She's not sure what she's doing, bless her. So we're just trying to help her to keep her in the right direction of where the food is. She desperately wants to suckle, but she's not sure. So I keep having to pop it near her, pop it in, and then she can get some as it comes through. But she's just not sure yet. It's a lot for a little baby to take on board. That's it, love. No, making you cry. Slap your face. Oh, so this is feeding attempt number 2. She has just done a wonderful poo-poo, wonderful big poo-poo, which was so lovely to see because it means everything inside is working really well. The only thing is she's not really liking the bottle all that much. She doesn't really appreciate the bottle, but I suppose that's because she's had her mum up until this stage. So it's not very nice, is it, having a piece of plastic shoved in your mouth and being told you've got to feed from it? Don't like it. And the dog is very stressed. Doggy doesn't like having kittens, does he? No. Well, we have been left with no choice because this little one is so poorly. Look at her, bless her, that we've had to set up our own little homemade ICU unit. So if you can see this cable here, that's an electric cable to a heat pad that's underneath her bed, and that's to try and keep her warm. Look at that face, isn't that just beautiful, bless her. She has had a couple of feeds, but she's not taken too much. But more importantly, she's done a really good poo. So that's good. It just means that things are working inside, which is great. So hopefully with this self-made ICU box here and the lovely heat that's coming from that pad, that should give her a better chance. Oh, she doesn't want to do it now. She just eating nicely. No, she doesn't want any more. She's had a little bit though. She has just gone to sleep. Look. Teeny tiny baby sleepies. Just checking up on the little sleeping kitten to see how she's doing. Hello, little baby. Hello. Hiya. How's it going? Oh, are you feeling better? Are you feeling a bit better? Let's have a look, see if we can do a wee wee. Oh, no, nobody wants to do a wee wee. Nobody wants to do a wee wee. Horrible. Horrible doing a wee wee. And I think someone is trying to open their eyes after a bot. You're trying to open your eyes, little one. You're so pretty girl. So pretty girl.